You're watching the Ship on Day 1 Field Guide. I'm Hans. Let's get ship done. You're probably watching this video because you're interested in optimizing your team's continuous delivery system. By this point, you probably already have continuous delivery set up for many or even most of your team's projects. And you're probably tracking measurements, figuring out what's working and what's not. So, as software developers, you and I know that it's important to further optimize and experiment with our processes. And we know that it's important when we make these experiments to be able to measure them and make sure that they're actually working for our specific needs and our specific projects. In this video, I'd like to talk about 3 optimizations that I've used in order to improve a continuous delivery system. These might be things that you want to try for your team and your projects. Optimization 1. Track and minimize failed deployments. When you have multiple failed deployments in a row, or a higher rate of failed deployments than usual, it might mean that something in your repository has changed, and you need to change your continuous delivery system. Or it might mean that there are further optimizations that you could make. Optimization 2. Easy production promotion. Think about having a virtual button between each of the stages. So, for example, if your continuous delivery system automatically deploys to staging, make sure that there's a place where you can go in and easily promote that artifact to production. That makes sure that there is only a single manual step in your production deployments. Finally, optimization number 3 is to automate that one manual step. Test on QA and staging, and then auto-promote to the next stage. Deploy to QA automatically, test on QA, deploy to staging, and then test on staging and automatically promote that deployment to production. These are just 3 optimizations that you might want to make for your continuous delivery system, and you can probably think of many more things that you want to experiment with. But whatever you're experimenting with, make sure that you measure it and make sure that whatever metric you're using to track that experiment is trending in the correct direction. When it is, consider using that optimization moving forward. But when it's not, maybe discard that idea and try something else. Thanks for watching this video on optimizing continuous delivery. You can find many more videos and resources for software developers at shiponday1.com. I'll see you there. Thank you.